The weather's kind of getting a little bit cold now, don't you think?
Yes.
The seasons are changing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's going from.
The summer.
It's over now.
Yeah.
Okay. It's still a beautiful day out here.
Sure. The sun, the sea.
Yes.
And the color of the sea.
Yeah, the
It's
color of the sea.
perfect.
And the color of the mountains too, right? Like you see
Yeah.
the mountains and everything. The blue water. Yeah, you're right. It's
It's
nice.
a perfect view.
What do
I
you think? Do you think people should come visit Florianópolis?
Oh yeah, come to Floripa. Come to Floripa. It's an amazing place.
Yeah, it is. And it's right now, I think the weather is perfect because it's a little bit cool. For you, it's cold. You say it's cold.
Yeah, because it is so hot and you can walk in the sand.
Right.
Because it's so hot.
Right, during the summer.
And today it's so
Cold, yeah. Well, I would say the sand, walking in the sand today felt great. The water was a little chilly. It kind of reminds me of San Diego, California during most of the year. The water's cold like that. The air has a nice crisp to it. But I like it. I think it feels good.
yeah.
So we were out here, we were taking pictures, video, just experimenting with the equipment. Still, that's what we're doing right here is experimenting with equipment. At the same time, we're experimenting. We're giving you good visuals of all these backgrounds and everything. And we got this exquisite model here, and she's helping us out with that. So, yeah.
I love this experience.
Yes.
I'm so great.
So